Hi children, Namaste. How are you all? सब ठीक है ना? So our pre-midterm exam is over. Last week we were very busy with the exam. Now exam is over. Are you all happy? Yes, I am very happy because all of you got very good mark in Hindi. Yes? And the previous class we were studying the symbol of A. Now let us move to the lesson. Last week my audio class was already uploaded, so I could not congratulate you children. Congratulations. Okay? And I thank all the parents for their hard work behind the exam. Thank you parents. Please open your textbook, page 19. Please listen carefully and read after me. Trace the line with your index finger. Again read. Padanabhyas. Reading practice. Again read after me. आज बैसाखी है, सब खुश है. रैना रेलगाड़ी से आई है, साथ में एक थैले में बैगन भी लाई है. रैना पैर साफ करके घर आना. मेज पर थैला रख. कैलाश भी उसी समय आया. कैलाश कैसे आया? रैना ने कहा, वो पैदल चलकर आया. कैलाश एक गवैया है. कैलाश ने एक गाना सुनाया. उसकी आवाज़ मीठी है. सबने बैसाखी का दिन अच्छे से मनाया. See the meaning? आज बैसाखी है. Children, do you know what is Baisagi? Baisagi is a festival. See these people. These people belongs to Sikh. No. So Baisagi is the most popular and important harvesting festival. It is celebrated in the state of Punjab and various other parts of India. So, Baisakhi is the harvesting festival celebrated by the Sikh people. Okay. So, look. आज बैसाखी है. Today is Baisakhi. आज means today. सब खुश है. Sab means all. Kush, happy. Here means all are rejoicing. Why all are rejoicing? Because today is the festival of Baisakhi. Reina रेलगाड़ी से आई है. Reina is a girl. Reina रेलगाड़ी से आई है. Reina came by the train. रेलगाड़ी train. Reina came by the train. साथ में एक थैले में बैगन भी लाई है. With her, one bag of brinjal is brought. With her, one bag of brinjal, बैगन, brinjal. Brinjal is brought. लाई है brought. रैना पैर साफ करके घर आना. Reina should wash the feet and come inside. मेज पर थैला रख. Keep the bag on the table. मेज, table, थैला, bag. Keep the bag on the table. कैलाश भी उसी समय आया. Kailash also came at the same time. Kailash is a boy. कैलाश भी उसी समय आया. कैलाश also came at the same time. कैलाश कैसे आया? How did कैलाश come? रैना ने कहा. रैना said. वह पैदल चलकर आया. He came walk. वो पैदल चलकर आया. He came walk. कैलाश एक गवैया है. कैलाश is a singer. गवैया means singer. कैलाश is a singer. कैलाश ने एक गाना सुनाया. कैलाश was sung a song. कैलाश was sung a song. गाना सुनाया. sung a song. उसकी आवाज़ मीठी है. His sound is very sweet. आवाज़ sound मीठी sweet. His sound is very sweet. सबने बैसाखी का दिन अच्छे से मनाया. Everybody has celebrated the बैसाखी very well. अच्छे से मनाया. Celebrated the festival very well. So you have to read and practice it. So read and practice. Last class we have completed these 3 meanings. Okay. So today you have to write these 4 meanings in your notebook. Let us read. Bacon, brinjal. Bacon, brinjal. Gavaiya, singer. गवैया सिंगर. आवाज़ वॉइस. आवाज़ वॉइस. पैर फीट. पैर फीट. सी चिल्ड्रन नेक्स्ट पेज. चित्र के नीचे खाली स्थान में उसका नाम लिखिए. राइट द नेम्स ऑफ द पिक्चर्स इन द ब्लैंक्स. See, what is this? Who is it? It's a swimmer. No? Swimmer. What is the Hindi word for swimmer? Tairak. Yes, Tairak. And see, what is it? Paisa. No, Paisa. And this bacon. Say vegetable bacon, brinjal. And it bile, bull, bile. And who is this person? Soldier, Sainik. No? Okay. See, here below the line write Tairak, and here Paisa. Write Paisa. And the third one bacon, brinjal. Bacon. Fourth one bull, bile. And the fifth one Sainik. So look at this spelling and write in your textbook and study it. Okay children, take page number 21, exercise 2. नीचे दिए गए शब्दों को एक की मात्रा लगाकर पूरा कीजिए. Complete these words by adding the symbol A. For example, Sainik. See here, so many words are there without matra. So you have to apply the symbol of A. Okay, see the first one. What is the first one? Per. So where we will write the symbol A above pa or ra? Yes, above pa, above the first letter. Okay, so write the symbol A above pa. Okay, so it will, you have to write here below the line. So per pair, per pair. Second one, mala. Again symbol A, writing above the first letter, above ma. So maila, mala, maila. Maila means dirty. Kalash, use the symbol A above first letter ka. Kalash, Kailash, Kailash, name of a boy. Sir, symbol A is writing above the first letter. Sir, 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 sir. What is the meaning of sir? Sir means so many meanings. Ride, outing, trip, visit. So many meanings are there. So sir, to roam or to walk or to ride or to visit. So sir, sir. See here, bal. Use the symbol A. Bal, bile. Writing above the first letter ba, above ba. Bal, bile. Again but, bite, above first letter. But, bite. Bite means sit. Kasa, kasa, kaisa, kaisa. Kaisa means how. How. How are you? कैसे हो? No. How to ask how are you? कैसे हो? आप कैसे हो? How are you? कैसे हो? So कैसा, kasa, kaisa. Kaisa means how. Again padal. Padal, paidal. Symbol of A writing above first letter. Paidal. Paidal, on foot. Padal, paidal. Here. Here also we are adding the symbol above first letter. Tala, taila. Bag. Tala, taila. Tarak, tairak. Above first letter. Tairak, simmer. Pasa, paisa. Above first letter. Paisa means paisa. The last one, jaisa. Jasa, jaisa. Adding the symbol above first letter. Jasa, jaisa. Jaisa means such as or like. Jaisa. Once again, per, pair, mala, maila, kalash, kailash, sir, sire, bal, bile, but, bite, kasa, kaisa, padal, paidal, thala, thaila, tarak, tairak, pasa, paisa, jasa, jaisa. Is it clear? Children, now you see exercise 4. Exercise 3 we will do in the next video. See after 2, go to exercise 4. सही शब्द चुनकर वाक्य पूरा कीजिए. Choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. पैदल, तैले, तैर, सैनिक. पैदल on foot, तैले bag, tair, swim, sainik, soldier. You have to choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Dash देश की रक्षा करते हैं. Dash protect our country. देश country. Who protect our country? Who is protecting our country? Paidal, Taile, Tair, Sainik. Who is protecting? Yes, the Sainik, soldier. No, soldier protecting our country. So, answer is Sainik. So, Sainik, you have to write below the line. Sainik देश की रक्षा करते हैं. Soldier protect our country. Second one. रीता dash school जाती है. Rita is a girl. Rita dash to school. Rita dash to school. Rita paidal, taile, tair, sainik. Which is the correct answer? Choose the correct answer. How did Rita go to school? How she is going to school? On foot. No. So Rita goes to school on foot. Rita paidal school जाती है. Paidal on foot. Rita paidal. You have to write below this line. The third one. रोहन ने dash कर नदी पार की. रोहन is a boy's name. रोहन. रोहन ने dash कर नदी पार की. रोहन dash cross the river. रोहन ने पैदल, तैले, तैर, सैनिक. What is the meaning of तैर? Swim. Yes, swim is the correct answer. रोहन ने तैर कर नदी पार की. What is the meaning of that sentence? रोहन swam across the river. रोहन swam across the river. Nadi means river. पार की cross the river. रोहन ने तैर कर नदी पार की. See the last one. मोहन ने dash बर सब्जी खरीदी. मोहन ने dash बर सब्जी खरीदी. सब्जी vegetable. खरीदी bought. मोहन dash full of vegetable bought or purchased. खरीदना purchased. So मोहन तैले बर. What is तैले बर? A bag full of. मोहन purchased a bag full of vegetable. मोहन purchased a bag full of vegetables. Is it clear? See children, you have to write the meaning first. After writing meaning, leave 2 or 3 lines. Then you have to write this heading. एक ही मात्रा लगाओ means use the एक ही मात्रा. Use the symbol of A. See, this is the way you have to write. You have to draw a line. Here you have to write the question and this side write the answer the same way. पर, पैर, मला, मैला, कलाश, कैलाश, सर, सैर, बल, बैल, बट, बैठ, कसा, कैसा, पदल, पैदल, तला, तैला, तराक, तैराक, पसा, पैसा, जसा, जैसा. Okay? Then see children the homework. This is the homework, and this month one assignment also for you. This assignment you have to do and send it to my WhatsApp number. See the homework. In notebook you write 4 meanings. Then in copy the same meaning you have to write 5 times, and the name of the pictures in Hindi that also write in copy. Page number 20 there are some pictures, that pictures name you have to write in the copy 5 times. In the textbook you have to complete exercise 4, and see this is the assignment. So in the textbook page 18, 20 some pictures given, that pictures you have to draw or paste in an A4 sheet and send it to me. The last date is 24/8/2020. Before 24th you have to send it to my WhatsApp number. This assignment is compulsory. You will get internal mark. So write it neatly. Okay children, now let me wind up this class. Study well. Get ready for the online exam tomorrow. Bye bye.